What was the name of this?
Dahi Puri.
Dahi Puri. Dahi Puri.
Very nice.
Cut Puri.
Why they call Dahi Puri? What is Dahi there?
Cut.
Cut. Okay, because from
Buffalo.
I came from India. In India they call it Pani Puri. So
No, Dahi Puri.
in Nepal they call Dahi Puri. So they keep some cut. Yeah, cut.
Dhania.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, Dahi Puri, Nepali Dahi Puri for the first time.
Thank you.
Let's
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Mm.
I don't like. Aduh, man.
You feed him now. Feed him. He will take. Right, bro. You will regret it.
Never it.
You will regret it. Don't regret it. It's very nice.
Thank you.
Guys, honestly, I feel like I'm not eating Dahi Puri. Or what? Dahi Puri.
Dahi Puri.
I feel like I'm eating butter chicken. Butter chicken, man, this is so tasty. Oh my gosh. Let me have it again. There's a lot of things here. What they keep, like, basically what they keep inside, which
Dhania,
tomato and cut
noodles.
Chili, huh? And what is this one? This one.
I don't know. Yeah.
Do they keep any vegetable like chana? Do they keep chana? They keep chana there? Okay. Chana. Wow, guys. This is more than delicious. More than delicious. This is 10 out of 10. What do you think? It's nice, right? It's really nice. Guys, the Pani Puri is so delicious. And this is my first time ever to taste this type of this Pani Puri. This is so unique and so special.